Okay, so hello people. So today we'll be solving LeetCode DailyQuestion 1897. That is a redistributable characters to make all strings equal, and in this we'll be given a string array of strings words, and in one operation we can pick up two distinct indices, that is I and j, where words I is a non-empty string, and we can move any character from words I to any position in word state, and we have to return true if we can make every string and words equal using any number of operation and false otherwise. Okay, so let's say we are in the first example, we are having ABC and then we are having AABC and then BC. So if we pick up this A and move it to this ABC part, then it's possible that we can make the strings equal. Okay, and but in the other case we are given AB and then the other string is A, so it's not possible in any way to make both the strings equal. Okay, so what we'll be doing, we'll be using a hash map kind of data structure, but we we'll be using a frequency map for this instead, and then we'll be checking that if the number of frequencies of each character in every string, each character in the whole array is divisible by the length of the array or not, because in that case it is only possible to make all the strings equal. Okay, so now let's have a frequency array, that is fric equal to new int 26, and now let's just update this frequency array that for string word in words, and then for character ch in word dot to char array. Okay, so now what we'll do, we'll do frequency ch minus a plus plus. Okay, so by now we have updated the frequency map. Now let's have a variable. We'll be storing the length of the words array, words dot length, and then we'll be iterating in the frequency array, that let's say for int count in frequency. We'll be checking that if frequency mod n is not equal to 0, that means that is not possible, so here we'll be returning false, or else let me just, yeah, or otherwise we'll be just returning true in the other case. Okay, so now let's run it. Okay, and frequency mod, okay, sorry, count model. Okay, so now let's run it again, and it gets accepted. Okay, so now let's submit it, and it works fine. Okay, so yeah, so this was it for today. Thank you for watching.